To create a clipping mask effect in Canva, start by adding your main image to the canvas. Duplicate the image and use the background remover tool on the duplicate to delete its background. Then adjust size and position as needed. Select the subject image, go to Edit and choose Duotone, then select Custom and change the color to solid black to create a silhouette. Go to Position and then Layer, and delete the original image from the canvas, leaving only the silhouette. Download this black silhouette image to your computer. Upload the black silhouette image back into Canva and drag it onto the canvas. Add your original subject image again as well. Go to Apps on the left sidebar, search for Blend and select the Blend Image app. In the app, set the top layer to your black silhouette image and the bottom layer to your original subject image, then change the blend mode to screen. Click Add to Design to apply the effect. Your subject image is now masked, creating a layered blended look.